Hello and welcome to Total IELTS, and in today's video I'll be looking at IELTS General Training Writing Task 1, specifically the purpose of your letter. All letters, whether they're formal or informal, must have a purpose, a clear purpose. In other words, that's the reason or reasons why you're writing the letter. The importance of the purpose is reflected in the band descriptors. To achieve a band 7 in task achievement, the letter presents a clear purpose. While down the other end at band 4 in task achievement, the purpose of the letter is not clearly explained and may be confused. So maybe you're thinking, what is the difference between not clearly explained and confused? Well, there's no difference really. It's just confused. It's just some extra detail on why the student got a band 4. The number one reason for a low score in task achievement is that the student didn't read the task carefully and the instruction that goes along with it, and they've misunderstood the purpose of the letter. The situation is clearly explained in the task, so take your time, take a few minutes to read the situation and highlight some key words if you need to. And pay attention to the instruction of who you're writing to. Let's look at an example of a formal letter, and here I've highlighted the key words in the task. You can do this yourself because it'll help you stay focused on task achievement. A road near your home is damaged. Write a letter to the council of your city-town to complain about it. For a Band 8 sample answer of this particular letter, you can find it on the Total-IELTS blog, and the link is in the description below. When it comes to formal letters, it's quite usually writing to an organization. So who specifically are you writing to? Well, since there's no name mentioned in the task, it's a safe bet to start your letter with Dear Sir, Madam. After that, the purpose is basically paraphrasing the situation. For example, I'm writing to complain about the condition of the road, specifically the A33 near my residence and the delay in commencing repairs. So I've included some extra detail here, and that's perfectly fine because it'll make your letter more authentic. Another example of an informal letter with keywords highlighted. You recently bought an electronic device for your home. Your friend wants to buy the same device and has asked you for advice. Write a letter to your friend. So a classic advice informal letter. A Band 8 sample answer of this can be found on the Total IELTS blog. Link in the description below. When it comes to informal letters, you're never given a name of the person you're supposed to write to, so it's perfectly fine to invent a name. Here I've gone for Dear Jenny. And I've opened the letter with an informal, friendly greeting, like you would do in real life. How are you? Just a quick note to answer your questions about the new TV I bought last month. I hear you're thinking about getting one yourself. When it comes to IELTS General Training Writing Task 1, purpose of the letter is essential. You can't get away from it. Read the task carefully, highlight the key words, keep you focused on task achievement. And it feels good to make a good start to your letter when you state the purpose clearly without confusion in your first sentence. Examples of formal and informal language for stating your purpose can be found on the Total IELTS website. Link in the description below.